Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I wanted to share with you my package that arrived today from SilkCraft. They are a company that I mentioned previously in my silk painting video, and I have purchased some more things from them. So I thought I would share this unboxing. I've undone the tape, but haven't looked inside yet, so can I even remember what I ordered? I'm not sure. Let's have a look then. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff. Lovely. Got an invoice. This is useful. Okay, so things I ordered. So this is a pre-stretched, pre-framed, ready to paint peacock in the style of a stained glass window. This was, let me think, which one would this be? Peacock. So this was peacock. So this was £4.83. Absolute bargain. Literally all you have to do is paint it and then it is ready to gift or display. It's really lovely. I also picked up a plain wood effect. Is it the same size? It's a tiny bit smaller, just sort of the next size down. Again, ready to paint. Yeah, this one is 6 inches. This one is 7 inches. So yeah, there's this one £2.49. Again, how can you go wrong? So all I will need to do with this is put my design on using the gutter to create the outlines, and then I can paint away and have a completely unique design. This is the silk necklace making kit, which is everything you need apart from the paints. Ooh, which I'm now throwing on the floor. Right, let's just, I'm going to do it in here so that I don't lose everything. Okay, so we've got some silver pony beads, and then we've got our polystyrene balls, more pony beads, and our silk, and then the instructions. So this is, and then that shows what it will look like when it's finished. So this will be a project that I will probably do in a video, so you'll get to see. In fact, I'm now going to fail at putting these things away. But the kit, again, because this doesn't come with any paints, that's ridiculous. Because this doesn't come with any paints, it means that you're getting everything you need at a really reasonable price. So this comes out at £3.54. Bear with me just a second while I pop these things away. So silk necklace making is not something I've ever done before, so I'm going to take some time to read through all the instructions, figure out all the sort of preparation before I get into that. But yeah, I will look forward to sharing that with you as and when the time comes. If you've seen my other silk painting videos, then you will have seen me complete a similar project, which was for the small painting. I have an example here of one that I've completed before that comes pre-gutted, pre-outlined. So in here we've got these, oh, which way? That way, yeah. These beautiful designs, floral, sort of abstracty images that can be completed. This set, where you complete 5 bookmarks, £3.16. What it suggests is that you obviously back them onto something more sturdy once they are completed. You don't want them to fray or anything, so yeah, and that's sort of an example of what they will look like when they are all done. Again, this is a kit that does not come with paints, but I already have the paints, so that's fine. Obviously SilkCraft also sell the paints, so you can get everything that you need from them. Oh, I am on the struggle bus today. Oh, this is the scarf that I ordered. It is a 55 by 55 centimetre silk scarf. Again, comes ready for painting, and is my favourite flower, which you cannot see at all in this light. Nope, it's too bright and too shiny. So there we go. You can just make out there the poppy design, which goes all the way around the edge. So yeah, really pleased with that. This was, how much was this one? Poppy design neckerchief, £5.53. Really lovely. Final things that I purchased, some silk painting backing paper, which you iron on to the silk, and then it gives it more stability. It's not something I've used before, but I thought that it would be useful to have a go with it. 42p, honestly, you know, bargain. And then finally I picked up these aperture cards, which are trifold. So let me just take this little lovely out of here for a sec. So this is one I created earlier, in my earlier video. So that could then be attached. Oops. Okay, I'll just put it in there upside down, but never mind. So yeah, the silk painting would go inside like that, and then you've got a card that you can send with a beautiful piece of unique artwork on the outside. So this was a pack of 5 of those cards with matching envelopes, and they were £2.74. Again, I've got a die cut machine. I could make my own aperture cards, but I kind of know I won't. So I thought this was a good idea to grab some, and because this is the company that make the inserts, I knew that they would be made in a way that they would fit. So, oh my goodness, what a little haul. So we've got the backing paper, we've got aperture cards, we've got the poppy silk scarf, bookmarks, necklace kit, plain sun catcher, and pattern sun catcher. So a whole bunch of stuff that I'm very much looking forward to getting into and using. The total for all of this, including delivery, was £30, which I think is incredibly reasonable. So if you've already got yourself a set of silk paints, this I think is the best way to go about increasing your collection of craft projects that you can do with those, making use of any leftover paint that you've got from a kit that came with paints, is to purchase things like this, where you don't have to worry about your sort of, you know, basic artistic ability necessarily. You can just use it as a real mindfulness activity. You can enjoy the process of putting silk paint on silk without having to concern yourself too much. I cannot wait to get started with this, particularly with the peacock. I think that's going to look absolutely gorgeous once it's completed, and I cannot wait to see it hung up against the window with the light shining through it. I think it's going to be wonderful, and just the way that these are, you know, ready framed gives such a professional look to them. So if you are going to gift them, then it just ups that level of, you know, people are going to be really impressed with what you've created. So that is all from me for today. I just wanted to share my little SilkCraft haul. Not sponsored, not affiliated, but they are a UK company, which is always lovely. They are, from what I can tell, a small business, and yeah, I'm really pleased what they have on offer to sell. But yeah, really lovely. Please do go check them out. I will pop links and everything down in the description as always. And yeah, let me know, have you tried silk painting yet? I know a lot of people after my last tutorial video said that looks amazing, I want to have a go. So let me know, did you go out and do it yet? If not, give it a go, and check out the projects that SilkCraft have to offer. In the meantime, I am going to leave this here. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in my next video. Stay crafty.